Hi, Apurva sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Muskan. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm awesome. I just want to know, can you give a little introduction about yourself, from which industry you are, and what do you do?
Yeah, so I am Apurva Gandhi. I am I co-founded Leading Edge about 1998, so 27 years ago.
Okay.
And I have overall experience of more than 38 years.
Hmm.
Leading Edge is a leading distributor of mutual funds in Ahmedabad
Okay.
and also advises on wills and trusts and retirement planning.
Great. So, how long have you been in this business?
So my total number of years of leading edge business is around 27 years,
Okay.
and my total experience is 38 years.
Great, great. So how have you been managing your task and your team, and so you are in this industry from this long, so how do you manage your work? How do you assign jobs, and what all challenges you have faced during this period?
Yeah, so in our business, when we get into financial planning and as we onboard new clients,
Hmm.
we have a team of people supporting me and my son in this business. And what happens is when we are in the initial process of onboarding, there is
Correct.
limited tracking available, and we used to use Google Sheets and WhatsApp and various methods. But we were not able to track properly whether the prospect is till the final investment is over for each prospect.
Correct. So what do you think has been a game changer? So after TaskOPad, how do you think your work has been, and has it impacted your work and your team's productivity? And now is it easy for you to keep a track of the day-to-day activities?
Yes, now we have been using TaskOPad for about a year, and we are very happy with the outcome
Yeah.
because with TaskOPad we are able to clearly define each prospect and the objectives for that prospect,
Correct.
and everyone knows their task very clearly, and the execution is very much successful. So if there's any mistake in the information during the process at any stage,
Hmm.
we can revert very quickly. So our turnaround time also has reduced considerably.
Great.
And obviously, TaskOPad is now the go-to thing. The moment we reach in the morning at the office or even at home, we
Correct.
just start the TaskOPad to see what's happening.
Great, great. And if you want to describe, TaskOPad in one single line, what would you use, and what is the message you would like to give?
So I like the reminder features,
Okay.
and it's a very simple task management software, very easy to use and implement in our organization.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Apurva sir, for your feedback, and looking forward for a great partnership ahead.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Muskan.